Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Go Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday. Alright, so you wish for songs sometimes when you just feel you want to learn a song, and I read comments. I read every comment, and then I pick one. And this time I picked Citizen Soldiers, a new medicine song called Fake Friends. And it's you, Nathan, 3429 or so. You wished for this song from Citizen Soldiers. And see, as they've been with us before, if you love their songs, we have a playlist with Citizen Soldiers tutorials. And great songs coming up from them. So if you're a fan of them, make sure you subscribe to this channel and get new stuff out there. And you also have the possibilities to wish for songs here that we normally bring up on Wednesday. Sometimes we just add on and bump it up to a wish week, a full week with wish songs. And that is happy hour. But anyway, now let's go back to this Fake Friend song. And we're gonna do this with a capo on the first fret. That's the setup. And with that, we have 5 easy chords. So capo on first. That is nice if you have a capo. If you don't have it, then just follow the same chords I'm teaching here and play without capo. It will sound just a tad darker because we have it on the first fret only. But I would suggest you go with the same chords and have an easier life with that. So anyway, into the chords, and we're gonna start with D. Okay, so D goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next chord is G, and that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have E minor, that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have A, that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And the final chord is B minor. Of course, a bar chord. It's thrown in there, and you play the bar on the second fret with the index finger. You bar 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, 3rd on B. And there you have all the chords, the tools, the D, G, E minor, A, and B minor. Now, let's take a look at the strumming because we need to handle the chords. And we're going to look at the strumming that is divided into 2 different parts. So we're going to look at the transition here where you need to use the chords in different parts here. And that will be in the chords from G to B minor. So that will be how we're going to teach this strumming pattern. So if you grab the first chord, the G, first part will be down, down, up, clap. So down, down, up, clap. And that's it. Then you shift chord, in this case, to the B minor and play part 2. And that will be down, down, up, clap, down. And that down follows with a longer pause, and then down, up, clap, down. Like this. So down, down, up, clap, down. And then immediately starts the part 1 again. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be G, down, down, up, clap, and then B minor, down, down, up, clap, down. So like this. Okay, so practice slow and learn the strumming, and then gradually work the speed up here for this song. So we're gonna start with the verse, and the chord progression here will be D, 2 full rounds. That means both part 1 and part 2. And then for 2 rounds, and then G, 1 full round, and E minor, 1 full round. We're gonna play that part for 2 rounds, and that is the first verse. So D2, G1, E minor, 1, like this. right, so there you have the first verse play there. And now over to the first chorus. And we already looked at the beginning of it. We started with G and B minor. That's exactly what you're gonna do as well. You're gonna play G part 1, B minor part 2, then D part 1, and A part 2. You're gonna play that part for 3 rounds. So G, B minor, D, A, part 1, part 2, alternate like that. It goes like this. Alright, so 3 rounds of that. And then you have an ending here with D, 2 full rounds. So. So that is how you handle the chorus and kind of the post-chorus part with D2. Okay, that takes us into the second round of the song, and that is pretty much repetition when it comes to the verse play. You had D2, G1, and E minor 1 for 2 rounds, and then the chorus, you had G part 1, B minor part 2, D part 1, A part 2 for 3 rounds. The post-chorus part after the second chorus is to play the chorus play for another 2 rounds, okay? So as soon as you played the chorus for 3 rounds, you just continue with another 2 rounds of the chorus play. So in total, the chorus, second one, and the second post-chorus will be about 5 chord rounds. That is the second post-chorus part. After that, we have the final parts of the song. You're gonna go back and play the third chorus and the outro. And that combined is to continue with the chorus play for another 6 rounds. And somewhere in the end of these 6 rounds, you're gonna fade out. And that is how you summarize Citizen Soldiers and New Medicine's Fake Friends. All right, so Nathan, I know you've been here before on this channel. Thank you for staying there, man, and or girl, I'm not sure who you are really, but yeah, thank you for being here. And if you are new to this channel, follow Nathan's pattern here, subscribe to this channel, and interact with me here on Going Guitar. Thank you so much for the support, guys, and until next time, play tuned.